Hello everyone, good morning all of you. I hope you are safe and well. Today we will revise chapter 3 part 2. We have already revised chapter 3 part 1. So let's revise chapter 3 part 2. Students, these are some important questions. Today you will revise some important questions. Do it in a rough copy and learn it. Okay? That's very important. Now we will revise page number 40, quick revision. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, the main sources of information of the later Vedic period are the three Vedas, Yajurveda, Samved and Atharved. Number 2, during the later Vedic period, the Aryans starting using iron to make tools to cut trees. Number 3, education in India originated with the Gurukul system. We have already read in previous classes. Number 4, Gurukul education belonged to the Brahmacharya ashram. Number 5, since people produce extra grains, the king demanded regular taxes. मैच करेक्टली, इट्स वेरी इजी है स्टूडेंट्स. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे मैंने नंबर डाल दिया है. जब आप इसे कॉपी में डन कर चुके होंगे तो मुझे पता है आपने इसे बिल्कुल सामने सामने लिखा होगा. श्याम आयास आयरन जानपद, इसको हम जनपद भी कहेंगे स्टूडेंट. एक तरह से इसका सही प्रोनाउंसिएशन होगा. नंबर 2, स्मॉल किंगडम्स सम्राट किंग, राजा को भी हम लोग सम्राट कहते हैं. भागा. नंबर 4, शेयर हमने पढ़ा है. नंबर 5, संन्यास आश्रम फॉर प्रेयर्स एंड द लाइफ ऑफ रियूनिकेशन. नंबर 6, महाभारत एंड रामायण, तो ये हो जाएगा स्टूडेंट एपिक्स. नंबर सी, आइडेंटिफाई द पिक्चर्स, तो आप देख सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स ये पिक्चर आप आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हो. आप पेंटेड ग्रेवियर, ये पॉटरी है, ये है आपको पंचमार्क क्वाइन, हमने पढ़ा है इसके बारे में बहुत अच्छे से. ओके, नाउ वी विल रिवाइज सम क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, what changes took place in the political organization of the later Vedic period? Answer, the political system of the later Vedic period was shifted towards monarchy. Now, the king ruled over an area of land called Janpad. The king became very powerful by this time. The control was no longer with the Sabha and the Samiti. The eldest son generally succeeds the king. Kings adopt grand titles such as Maharaja Dhiraj and Samrat. Question number 6. Give brief account of Gurukul system of education. Answer, education in India originated with the Gurukul system. In this system, the boy had to stay with his Guru teacher, जिसको हम लोग टीचर कहेंगे स्टूडेंट, in a Gurukul till the age of 25. Gurukul were generally situated on the river bank or deep in the forest to attain the real knowledge. Boys learned various subjects such as Vedas, logic, mathematics, grammar and medicine. On completion of education, students offered Guru Dakshina or fee according to their means. Question number 7. Name the 4 stages in the life of Aryans. Answer, the 4 stages of life are known as ashrams, which of 25 years durations. The 4 ashram are Brahmacharya, Grihastha, Vanaprastha and Sannyas. Question number 8. How did the following change with the transition from the early Vedic period to the later Vedic period? सबसे पहले हमारा पॉइंट है वर्ण सिस्टम. आंसर, द वर्ण सिस्टम वाज एन इम्पोर्टेंट फीचर ऑफ वैदिक सोसाइटी. देयर वेयर 4 वर्णास, ब्रह्मचार्य, ब्राह्मण्स, क्षत्रिय, वैश्य एंड शूद्र. Brahmins were priests and teachers. Kshatriya were rulers and warriors. Vaishya were farmers and herders and traders. Shudra served all the 3 classes. The evils of caste system were not present. early Vedic period. In fact, it was quite flexible. अब स्टूडेंट हम देखेंगे लेटर वैदिक पीरियड में क्या है. In later Vedic period, the four varna were determined by birth. Change of caste became difficult, though not impossible. The Vaishyas class had many of their rights denied, and the Shudras were treated as more servants of the upper varna. हमारा दूसरा पॉइंट है स्टूडेंट. Our next point, religion. Answer. In early Vedic period, people worship different force of nature. On every important occasion, people perform yajnas, that means sacrifice. They were performed in an open area as the Aryans had no temples or idols. अब हम देखेंगे इन लेटर वैदिक पीरियड में क्या था. इन लेटर वैदिक पीरियड the mode of worship also changed. The yajna sacrifice become even more elaborate and costly. The Rigvedic god lost their importance. Some important female deities were also worshipped like Usha, goddess of dawn, and Prithvi, goddess of earth. Next point, position of women. Answer. In early Vedic period, women held respectful position in the society. Women were respected and they received education. They were also allowed to study the Vedas. They were permitted to attend Samiti's meeting. In later Vedic period, the position of women declined. They were not allowed to take part in public matters. They were no longer allowed to study the Vedas or participate in the Samiti's meeting. B. Give reasons for the following. Number 1. Aryans migrate from Central Asia to India. Answer. Cattle, sheep and horses were central points of their life. They needed fresh and new pasture for their animals. This was the most probable reason for their migration. Question number B2. The coins of the later Vedic period are called Panchmark coins. Answer. The coin of the later Vedic period are called Panchmark coins because the symbol were punched on pieces of silver. Symbols of animal, hills, trees and humans were usually marked on them. Okay, student? Learn all objective questions and question answer. Okay, today class is completed. Thank you.